Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable OnX Hunt for property boundary review and scouting. Open the OnX Hunt app on your mobile device. If you don't have the app yet, download it from your device's app store. Log into your existing account or create a new one. Once logged in, navigate to the main map screen. To enable property boundaries, tap on the layers icon, usually found in the upper right corner. In the Layers menu, look for Property Boundaries. Tap on the checkbox next to Property Boundaries to enable this feature. Wait for the map to refresh and display the property lines. To scout specific areas, use the search bar at the top of the screen. Enter the address or specific location you want to review. Zoom in by pinching the screen or using the zoom buttons. Once you've located the area, use the map tools to measure distance or area if needed. Tap on any property line to view detailed information about ownership and boundaries. Utilize the waypoint feature to mark points of interest for your scouting trip. To access offline maps, go back to the main menu and select Offline Maps. Choose the area you want to save and follow the prompts to download it for offline use. Finally, make sure your location services are turned on for accurate navigation while scouting. You're now ready to review property boundaries and plan your next adventure effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.